to be here to see y'all, bro. We went through some shit to get out here. Now, first of all, have y'all ever seen anybody slip on a banana peel? No. That shit fake, ain't it? I'm going to tell y'all a story. I had a job that I got fired from, and I was doing security. And I had some bananas in my purse. So I let them bitches get hot. I was going to eat them on my break, but they got too hot and mushy. You feel me? So I was like, I got to get rid of these motherfuckers because I was trying to get a ride home from work. So I took them out of my purse and I threw them on the ground. And when I walked around to the other side of the car, I heard somebody going, whoa! My fucking manager slipped on the bananas, y'all. And she was like, they hating on me because I got a Benz. Now, whole time, she don't know I'm the bitch threw these bananas on the side of the car. And I just laughed. I still ain't told this lady to this day that I threw the banana on the side. Moral of the story, you can slide on the banana, y'all. You can do that shit. Y'all remember that shit on Mario Kart? They used to put the goddamn banana out there and the cars go, man, we try to put that shit to the test on the road today, goddammit. Motherfucking man with a big ass meaty Arm & Hammer hand put his middle finger up at our ass. Goddamn hands looked like the goddamn hot dogs on Tom and Jerry. Yeah, I just started doing stand-up comedy about 2 years ago, you know, because I be getting fired from my jobs a lot. No bullshit. I've been fired 24 times. It's 2025, niggas. This my year. Yeah, I'm going up. That's why I wore the gate. It's going up. You feel me? Hey, this last job that I just had, I tried to keep it though. I was working at the school with the kids. I was a custodian. But my pride didn't want to take the job at first. Because I used to make fun of custodians. Motherfuckers talking about, yeah, you need to stay in school before you be like me. I said, nigga, I ain't gonna never be no damn custodian. Now, hey, if y'all need a toilet clean, houses, cars, holla at your girl. I'm out here motherfucking bad. You feel me? Hey man, one last thing that I want to talk about. Y'all seen what's going on with Young Boy, right? I mean, not Young Boy, Young Thug. Why they on my boy like that? He a jail nigga. Y'all know jail niggas talk too much. They must have never had a jail boyfriend before. They be lying, man, I almost killed a nigga in a day. Nigga, please, you won't count. No, they did the most to my boy though, because whole time, he did what anybody would do if you was in the cell for 23 hours a day. You feel me? You'll lose your mind. You just got to get it off your chest. But I can't finish my joke. I ain't got much time. My name Queen Quamo. Y'all been great. Y'all have a good night. Thank you so much.
Thank you.